Welcome guys to just another Magic Monday. We have a pack of Theros that we're gonna crack open. See what we get inside. Just adjusting the light a little there. Okay, so for our first card, we have Theros Band of Centaurs, Staunch-Hearted Warrior, Boon of Erebos, Read the Bones, Last Breath, Unknown Shores, Crackling Triton, Portent of Betrayal, Commune with the Gods, and now we're on to our uncommons. We have Mogis Marauder, Spellheart Chimera, Evangel of Heliod, and for our rare, we have a Celestian Archon. That's kind of neat. And, oh, cool. They have a foil. Nilia's Presence, which looks kind of neat in foil. And then we have a Plains and a Soldier token. Cool. So, that's our pack. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye.